Hey all, Johnny Mullet here with another scooter video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the progress of the 79cc scooter project. I told you guys in the early video that I made the assessment on what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it the way it was. So in order to strengthen the frame, to make this thing safe, I got this piece of plate steel and it's welded down the sides here, and it's a solid one piece of steel. I also strengthened the rear part with another piece of steel here and added a gusset to the back of the seat post to make it super strong. I also did clean up some of his other welds and went ahead and got those re-welded. Now, I am not a professional welder. As you can see, they're not the greatest, but they're strong and they're going to hold, and that's really all that matters, as long as the welds are strong enough to hold this thing together. So it is coming along slowly but surely. I wanted to get a lot of work done to this thing sooner, but it didn't happen. So where I'm at now, I'm going to go ahead and clean this thing up and get it ready for paint. A little sneak peek of the color. We're going to go with this gray color here. It's going to look pretty sweet. So hang on tight. Alrighty, so we got 2 coats of paint on this thing now. This is a really good engine enamel, really good stuff, and the paint went on nice. After 2 coats, she is pretty much covered 100%. It's looking good. Cleaned up some of the welds so it take paint real nice. And yeah, she's coming along real good here. So what I'm going to do next is I am going to stage this thing. I'm not going to actually put it together, but I am going to stage it so you can get a general look of what this thing's going to look like. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. Sweet little scooter. So nothing is actually hooked up or bolted on yet, but I just wanted to give you guys a general idea of what this scooter is going to look like with the black and the gray. So we got this cheap ATV dirt bike front end, and we have a new set of grips along with a new throttle and on-off switch, and also a motorcycle headlight switch with a horn. So we are going to have a 12-volt system on it. The fender's black, the rear cargo box is black. I'm going to straighten that box out. It's not going to be at that angle. And I'm going to have the front fender will be black, and it's going to look pretty sweet. I think you guys are going to like it. And yeah, look at that beautiful Predator 79cc engine all cleaned up, looking like brand spanking new. Hell yeah. Alrighty. Well, that is going to conclude today's video. I just wanted to show you guys the progress on the scooter and how it's coming along. The next video should be this thing running and driving and cruising. So, see you all next time.